Ciao mga tao, buongiorno. Thank you Lord sa isang bagong umaga at panibagong buhay na pinahiram niyo sa bawat isa sa amin at sa aming buong sambahayan.
Mom, two.
And what else?
What
Go,
do,
move.
what do we get?
Pacheria.
Cereal?
This one.
Oh, you got it. How many pictures do we need?
Just one.
Okay, one.
You cannot eat too much pacheria. For today's video, samahan niyo kami ni Kulasa na mag-grocery, magre-refill kami ng aming stock sa bahay. Nagkaubusan na kasi ng merienda. Ang tatakaw naman kasi nitong mga alaga kong pusa. This one, yes, get one. Because that's so heavy.
Yeah, we cannot find it.
Ah, the egg.
We need the egg. Forgot. We forgot the egg.
Come on, let's go there. Go.
Let's go find the egg.
Let's go find the egg. To the left. Go. Are we done?
Yeah, we're done.
We have
Now-
the egg already.
Now let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go now. We're done.
Wow, there's so many eggs. There are chocolate eggs.
Wow,
Wow,
chocolate,
chocolate
egg.
eggs.
That's
It's
cool.
Easter almost.
Look,
See. Dahil hindi mo.
that Paw Patrol is the egg.
Paw Patrol egg. Dahil hindi mo. Come on.
Here. Here, mommy.
Yeah, put it na. One by one.
Yeah, one by one.
O siya, magbabayad na kami ni Kulasa. Hanggang dito na lang muna. Until next time. Ciao!